Ako po si Felix Morauda, operator ng DTF Hongate dito sa Robinsons ng Balikes. Nagagamit naman po to araw-araw na may total meters kaming na-print dito. 72 meters yung na-run namin dito as of this week. Ito po ang heads. Ito naman po ang capping. Working naman po siya 80% po. Yung heads naman po napalitan po last year of October 2023. Head clean. Nasaan ng wiper? After head clean. Nozzle check. Ang ink system ay tama lang. This ink tank, nalinis Friday. Ground wire. Use ink. Unused ink, film, powder. Ito naman po yung inventory namin. Weekly consumption, magenta, white ink, yellow, cyan, black, cleaning solution, powder, 30 cm film, printer daily checklist, workload. Yan lamang po at maraming salamat.